Good evening mga ka-MMM. Ngayon, ako po si Jamila Ribon from Quezon City and I will show you my happiness in this video. First, I provide a help amounting 6,000 pesos on December 13, 2015. In mining light to gain 8%. Then below my recipient, Mr. Nologo. I provide us help amounting 6,000 pesos to him. And I request to get help amounting 5,900 on December 21, 2015. And yes, this. Then below are my provider. Mr. T. Bertisi will provide 1,800 pesos. Then the second is Mayores Nena will provide 4,100 pesos. In total, 5,900. So that's all. I would like to thank I want to thank my sender and to my manager Sherwin Berdit, and also to the founder of MMM, Sergi Mabrudi. Mabuhay po kayo. Support MMM and together we change the world.